Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas with a quesadilla maker. First, plug in your quesadilla maker and let it preheat completely. This usually takes about 5 minutes. While it's heating, gather your ingredients, tortillas, your favorite cheese, and any other fillings you love. A little cooking spray or oil on the plates ensures your quesadilla won't stick, making cleanup a breeze. Get ready for some deliciousness. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lay one tortilla flat on the bottom cooking plate of your preheated quesadilla maker. Next, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your chosen cheese over the tortilla, leaving a small border. Add your favorite cooked fillings, like chicken or vegetables, then top with another tortilla. Make sure everything is centered so it cooks evenly and seals properly. Once your quesadilla is assembled, gently close the lid and latch it. This presses the tortillas together, creating that perfect sealed edge. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the tortillas are golden brown and crispy, and the cheese is melted and gooey. Many quesadilla makers have an indicator light that tells you when it's done, so keep an eye out for that. Your delicious quesadilla is ready. Carefully open the lid and use a non-scratch spatula to remove it from the maker. Be mindful, as it will be hot. Place it on a cutting board, slice it into wedges, and serve immediately with your favorite salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, you'll find a link to a fantastic resource there too. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.